Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your CryptoHopper application. To log into your existing account for CryptoHopper, first of all launch open the CryptoHopper app on your device and you will then end up in the login screen. To log into your existing CryptoHopper account, first of all type down your username in the first tab. On the next field, type in your password that you previously created while signing up for CryptoHopper. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link at the bottom and follow through the instructions. After typing down your username and password correct, tap on Log In. Now, you will need to confirm your new device login. Go ahead and open up the email inbox for your email address that you signed up using for CryptoHopper. Check your inbox and you will receive a verification code. Enter the 6-digit verification code in it. If you don't find the email, you can also check your spam or junk mail folder and you will be able to find your 6-digit code. Type in the 6-digit code in the text box and click on Continue to log into your CryptoHopper account. So that's how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.